This is Reocor, BIOTRONIK's battery-powered external pacemaker, designed for temporary cardiac pacing and the treatment of bradyarrhythmias in a clinical setting. Reocor S is intended for single-chamber pacing, while Reocor D can be used for both single and dual-chamber pacing. When connected with temporary or permanent pacing leads and BIOTRONIK patient cables, the system reliably prevents bradycardia and asystole. Before first use, insert a 9-volt battery into the battery compartment as shown. When closing, make sure to push the blue slider downwards until it snaps in place with an audible click. The device is now ready for operation. First, open the protective cover to activate Reocor. To power on the device, turn the upper left mode control dial to the desired pacing mode. Every time Reocor is powered on, an automatic self-test is performed. This is indicated by brief acoustic signals, and all LED indicators light up for a few seconds. Now set the patient-specific parameters, such as pacing rate, pulse amplitude, and sensitivity, each using its dedicated dial. The transparent cover allows you to verify the selected settings at any time. Depending on the lead plug, you can connect the pacing leads either directly to Reocor or use the Riedel adapter. The adapter is plugged in, screwed tight, and the leads are connected with a suitable BIOTRONIK patient cable. During use, Reocor should be lying on a horizontal, non-slip surface. Alternatively, it can also be operated hanging from an infusion stand using the eyelet on the back of the device or attached directly to the patient using the armband. During operation, the LEDs flash yellow with each paced event and flash green for all sensed events. If a pulse amplitude is set below 1 volt or the pacing rate above 180 ppm, an acoustic signal sounds for 2 seconds. A fast sequence of sound indicates an impedance outside the permissible range. Verify that all connectors are plugged in securely and the leads are in the required position. For the treatment of supraventricular tachycardia, set the desired burst rate. For safety reasons, burst activation requires 2 buttons. First, press the Select Burst button, and then, within 2 seconds, Start Burst. The burst is delivered as long as the button is pressed. Ventricular pacing continues in the set mode in the background. Once all parameters are set, slide the protective cover upward until it audibly clicks into place. This securely prevents any unintentional adjustment of the dials and buttons. When the low battery LED flashes, it means that less than 36 hours of service time remain. The battery should be replaced immediately. This can be done during ongoing operation. For safety reasons, the patient should be paced by another source during the battery replacement. To switch off the device, turn the mode control dial to the off position. If Reocor is no longer in use, store it securely in the transport case. This also contains the technical manual with additional useful information on operation, available in multiple languages. Reocor. Available as Reocor S and Reocor D with matching patient cables.